Ever feel like there are not enough hours in the day? What if I told you that mastering time management could be the key to unlocking your full potential? Let's not waste our time because time is precious. I will tell you the productive way to utilize time management. Hello everyone, I am Subrat Kumar and welcome back to the day of 5 of our 15 days to discover your best self series. This is our fifth installment, and if you don't watch my previous episodes, check out my playlist here. Today, we are diving into time management, an essential skill that can transform how you live and work. Before I start, I must request you to subscribe my channel so that I can help you out in personal development and overall growth. Okay, come to the topic. Sometimes the major reason of stress may be a signal that you can't manage your time properly, isn't it? Time management is not only important for a successful life, but for professional well-being also. So I will help you to manage your time properly. And this session, I want it must be engaging, where after listening this, you must give your feedback or your questions if you have in my comment section below. First, let's talk about prioritizing tasks. It's not about doing more things, it's about doing the right things. Many of us spend our time on tasks that don't really move us forward. So how do you figure out what's important? Start by identifying your most important tasks, those that align with your goals and values. These are the tasks that will have the biggest impact on your life and help you achieve your dreams. Next, let's talk about practical steps. One great approach is to use a to-do list. Write down everything you need to do and then categorize those tasks based on their urgency and importance. This helps you focus on what really matters. Another technique is time blocking. Allocate specific time slots for different activities. For example, you might reserve mornings for deep work and afternoon for meetings. This helps you to stay organized and reduces the temptation to multitask. What example I am giving, it is for the reference only. It will vary as per your nature of work, means you are doing job or business. So plan accordingly. Let's not forget the importance of saying no. This is also important. Sometimes to protect your time, you have to decline tasks or invitations that don't align with your goals. I hope you understand what I'm exactly saying you. Lastly, remember to take breaks. Your brain needs time to recharge. A short walk or a few minutes of relaxation can boost your productivity and creativity. When you need relaxation, if you watch my videos previously, then I always recommend and give priority to deep breathing. You can click on the above to know more, or else visit our website thetruelife.com for more information on all this helpful content. By implementing these tips, you will find yourself getting more done in less time and with less stress also. Thanks for tuning in to day 5. If you found this helpful, please like, share and subscribe. And remember, the best way to predict your future is to create it. See you tomorrow for day 6. Bye-bye.